So we're here inside the coach now. We've got a residential refrigerator, freezer and everything below. Nice quick little latch to lock and stop everything from flying out while you're going down the road. It's counter depth, so it's not quite as deep as some residentials, but still there. We got obviously some pantry storage here, pull out shelving, makes it nice to just have extra space. Deep bowl sink here. We've got an induction cooktop as well. This floor plan offers you a lot of countertop space, which a lot of people like. Induction or a convection microwave. Here's your induction cooktop. Nice removable covers. We've got a dishwasher down below, something you don't see every day in a motorhome.
Absolutely. Tell me about this countertop, what I see lighting up here. Tell me about all that.
So they've got RGB countertop lighting and toe kick. You can set it to multiple, any color you really want, any different strobes and things.
That is so cool.
Just something nice to give you a different, you can make it like a soft fade. You can make it where it flashes from one color to next. You can go crazy. Yeah, you can change the colors, anything like that. Got obviously like a silverware drawer here, which is kind of nice little feature. There's a remote control that controls all the blinds, so the blinds will
power
run
blinds.
up. Yeah, powered night, manual day shades.
Wow.
Yeah, silverware drawer gives you a nice, extra storage space for your spoons and things.
Yeah, heck yeah.
The wives love that, and then these are just extra storage as well. Just lots of storage. They literally use every piece of this.
That's what I was thinking earlier when you were showing me the pass-through underneath. I'm thinking, man, they have really gone to a lot of thought to use all the square footage of space that's offered to them, and this is awesome.
Yeah, another drawer there, deep drawer for pots and pans. 50-inch TV that retracts, goes down, up and down. We did picture windows as well in this coach, so you don't get the screens or the splits in the window that really kind of distort your view looking out. All of your TV controls, or I say controls, but all your HDMI plugins and things are in there.
Wow.
This coach is prepped and or not prepped, but it is equipped with Starlink, so you're ready to go on the road. You got smart TVs. Get your Starlink going. You can literally travel down the road watching TV, streaming a race or football game or anything like that. You got the big bunk over the cab.
Absolutely.
That's a huge selling feature for these trucks, right? There's so much sleeping space. Both of the couches, that one jackknives. The other is a queen pull-out mattress, so lots of sleeping space there.
This one actually spins out and then it sleeps down the middle here?
No, it just jackknives, so it'll just fold out.
Gotcha.
But truthfully, when you have the sofa here pulled out, you really can't jackknife that, so you're only sleeping one or the other. But
right, but still, I mean, you got a couple of kids, maybe three, depending on how old they are there. Queen there. What must be a queen or a king in the back?
King in the back. King. This dinette folds down too, so if everybody likes each other, as I say, you can sleep a lot.
No doubt.
They just gotta like each other. Heated floors throughout, which is another nice thing, right? In the
awesome.
colder days, you just turn the heated floors on.
Yeah.
You don't need heat in here. The radiant heat from the floors will keep everything. It is electric, so it's not, you don't have any water or anything.
Probably.
They'll keep the batteries charged. Yeah. Full solar panels on the roof, so keep your lithium batteries charged up. When the truck's running, it'll charge that house batteries, we call them.
Great.
So you're kind of always keeping this thing charged. The only time you really need a generator is if you're running all 3 AC units, if you're going to run your cooktop, your not your dishwasher, but your your washing machine, not your dryer, but just your washing machine. Pretty much all of that, you need the generator running. But if you're going to be comfortable with ACs, you're going to want to run those. This one is the one I was telling you about outside. You can run that going down the road without the generators off of that inverter system.
Wow.
Just kind of keeps it nice in here. A lot of people don't realize when you're driving, if it's hot back here and it's cool up there, the back of your neck gets warm, and it's a lot more comfortable when it's cool. Yeah. So we got a bath and a half. So it's got a half bathroom here, and we've got another full bathroom up front. Did a wainscot backsplash kind of around the toilet actually, so kind of makes it nice to clean up the kids' misses. Lit up the sink countertops in there as well to really kind of give the coach throughout everywhere there's a countertop that look and feel. So in here you've got extra just closet space, linen storage. Here is your washer and dryer. So anywhere you're at on the road, you've got plenty of you know, plenty of lifestyle things to keep you going for a week or
I was
more
going
at
to
a
say,
time.
I can't see that you would be wishing for much more out of this thing. This thing's got everything you could imagine.
It's loaded up. Mini king bed, so it's not a full king, but it's really close to a king bed. You got 150 gallons of fresh water there underneath this. Got 2 heat registers off the AquaHot, so really you could, you know, I've got customers that'll take these snowmobiling in negative temps for a week at a time and have no problem with anything freezing up. 43-inch TV in here. We got your wardrobe closet. It's got some neat features in here. This actually will open up, so you've got, you know, your clothes rod there. You can open this up and access anything from behind. So it just kind of gives you
Goes right back to them using every option they can for storage space.
Yeah, when
That's
they first
really cool.
First started doing this kind of floor plan, you couldn't get to the clothes that was behind the TV. So now, obviously, made a good quick decision there to make that to where that opens up.
Yeah, that's really nice.
And then just more, you know, access for shoes and things like that. Down here, you've got more storage. You've got 3 drawers, so you know, socks, underwear, things like that. And you've got just more storage, just kind of never ends. On each side of the bed, you've got an outlet with a USB-C and a USB outlet, so you can, you know, have your phone close by or anything like that.
Right.
You've got a generator start and stop panel here too.
Okay.
So at night, if you're laying down in bed and your generator's running, you want to turn it off because you don't want to feel it or hear it.
Isn't that nice?
Which you really won't feel it or hear. It's pretty smooth and quiet.
Yeah.
These blinds just control off of the light switch there. There's actually 2, we call it the CPAP outlet up there. So they've kind of, that was an option, and then it just became standard here lately. So
well, it's nice having all the USB plugs down here at the side to charge your phones and everything at nighttime. You know, it just really, honestly, it feels like home or better than most. I mean, I would say. I mean, it's really something. I mean, all the storage and stuff. I mean, if it was like home, I would get this little corner right here, and then my wife would have everything else full. So it's really neat that they've got as much storage as they do.
Yeah, and we can hit on the ceiling fan as well, right? So just a little baby fan, but gives you that little breeze at night while you're sleeping.
I can't imagine you hardly need it with the AC
The AC's
right
cranking,
above you. Yeah, if that won't keep you cool, I imagine.
Then here's your master bath, your full bath. Got a solid surface shower, teak seat in there, macerator toilet, more RGB lighting and everything. The nice thing with this floor plan, or this bathroom floor plan, toilet gives you a lot of room. You get, you know, your sink's in the corner, so it's not necessarily perfectly ideal, but just gives you good space. And then your mirrors, you get a lot of cabinet space.
Yeah,
up there in the cabinets behind all the mirrors. Every mirror opens, so get a lot of nice storage space. It just really gives you good seating space as well, so you're not kind of crammed in a corner or anything.
Yeah.
And then just more storage as well. So a lot of people kind of say that these don't have as much storage as a Class A motorhome, but when you kind of get in and start going through it, I mean, you don't really need. Some people might take that much. Some people don't take that much. So
I can't say that I've been in a whole bunch of them, but I'm telling you, I'm really impressed with the amount of. I mean, this just doesn't feel like, when I'm standing in here, doesn't feel like a motorhome or a travel trailer or anything that I've ever been around. I mean, this is super nice. So.
Yeah, you don't feel cramped, right? You feel like you're in a motorhome, you're going to be cramped, but you're really not. Yeah. So a lot of open space. With the 4 slide outs, it really expands, and next thing you know, you've got a ton of space to move throughout.
Absolutely. The guy that owns this is going to be thrilled to have it.
You got control panels at pretty much every station or every room throughout the coach. Each bathroom, you kind of control your lights in here. You can turn your bedroom fan on, exhaust fans, run slide outs. So lots of tech involved there. And then I can show you the motherboard here. So got all your controls and everything. This coach, you can run everything from your cell phone as well through the Mirror Eclipse app. You know, water pump. You've got all your lights inside out. You know, the RGB lights, the countertop lights, your heated
You're
floors.
saying you can do the slide outs and the jacks with your phone
You can
too?
do all of that from your cell
That's
phone.
really
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, you can do everything pretty much, but drive the truck really. So it's got you know, your Victron servo, so you can see how charged your batteries are. With the lithiums, it's kind of by percentage, right, versus volts or anything. So you can check that. There's your fans. There's your slide outs.
Okay.
You can do your hydraulic leveling jacks, which is, you know, another key feature to this thing. You can get it nice and level.
Yeah.
And then there's you got some diagnostics and stuff that you can keep up with things. But yeah, I mean, the tech is insane in this.
It really is.
From what they started out with, you know, with just a flip switch to turn lights on, to now your phone controls everything. And then, you know, obviously with Starlink on board and everything, you're sometimes unfortunately not disconnected from the world, but
that's true too.
but you have everything that, you know, a lot of people take these and work out of them and travel. So you have everything you need to do that. So
really cool. I know some of the truck shows that we go to, we get out. What we'll find is it might not necessarily be a dead zone, but there'll be so many people on the network in a small little area there that we have a hard time processing sales and different things like that. So if, you know, if somebody owns one of these that's trying to do point of sale stuff, having the Starlink's huge.
Yeah, you're on board. So, I know. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I mean, lots of different floor plans. This is a CMR. This is a popular floor plan. We have one. It's a bunk bed model, so you could sleep like up to 9, maybe 10 people. It's actually a 2 full bathroom package in that. So a lot more, you know, another shower here. It's just a different configuration. That's another popular one. We can go down to a 38-foot coach or up to a 45 and everything in between. So lots of options and, you know, different interior colors. If this isn't your flavor, different couch colors, different wall, different cabinets, different flooring.
Just like anything, you got
like everything.
Options,
You can go as custom as you want. As standard as you want. This has got a little higher gloss finish on the cabinets than standard, so just give it that richer feel.
Absolutely,
more depth. So.
Well, I sure appreciate you taking the time to show us around this thing. This is really awesome. And guys, if you're looking for a coach like this, give Chad a call at Flying A. He's top notch. He's great to work with, and we're sure proud he chose us to help him out with stuff there at Dickerson Custom Trucks. So appreciate everything.
Thank you. Looking forward to showing it off.
Yeah,
appreciate you guys.